Look outside your window. What do you see? Maybe houses, parks, stores, or even a farm. That's called land use, how we use the land around us. Let's learn about the different ways we use land in Ontario. We use land for homes. This is called residential land use. It includes houses, apartments, and buildings where people live. These places give people shelter and a place to feel safe and cozy. We also use land to grow food. That's called agriculture. Farmers grow fruits, vegetables, and grains. Some raise animals, like cows or chickens. These farms give us the food we eat every day. Some land is used for businesses and stores. That's called commerce. These places let us buy things like clothes, books, and groceries. Other land is used for factories and making things. That's called industry. These places help us build cars, cook food, and make things we use at home. We also use land for fun and play. This is called recreation. Parks, sports fields, playgrounds, and beaches give people space to move, rest, and enjoy the outdoors. Some land is used for transportation, like roads, train tracks, or airports. These help us move people and things from one place to another. And some land is protected. That's called conservation land. These are forests, wetlands, and wild places where animals live. This land is kept safe, so future generations can enjoy nature too. Every kind of land use helps people. Some gives us food, some gives us homes, some protect nature, and some give us space to laugh, learn, and live.